Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I just would like to introduce you to Alberto Salazar, who owns a furniture company here in the greater Houston area. His company name is Olim Furniture. Hey Alberto, how are you today?
Hey, Danielle, doing great. Yes, Olim Home is the name of our furniture store. We currently run a warehouse here in the city of Houston, and we do resell to all types of clients, whether it's business or residential. We do home staging and just about anything else for furniture you need.
Nice. So could you tell me which type of style that you're offering when somebody come and wants to buy something from you?
Okay. Yeah, for sure. Our most popular styles currently are going to be anything that's mid-century modern, anything that right now that is contemporary but very comfortable. As you can probably take a look around in some of the furnitures that we have here in this home later on in the video. You'll see everything is very modern, metal legs, wooden legs, and that's pretty much what's popular right now and what people love to have in their homes.
Yeah, I know you have some of them that are very, very eclectic, like one kind of an African print and I really, really love. Yeah. I used it in one of my listing. Yeah. And then, so tell me, how long have you been in the business?
Yeah, I started with furniture flipping about 3 years ago almost.
Furniture flipping?
Yeah.
We got to do a video about furniture flipping, guys.
Yeah, there's stuff out there for sure. And I came to a point where it was just a lot of work, and I was like, there has to be an easier way of doing this. So I became a wholesaler and buying wholesale and liquidations and selling them at wholesale prices for the general public to have access to furniture at a cheaper price.
Oh, sweet. And which location are you serving? Where are you serving the furniture?
Yeah, everywhere. Houston. We actually have a lot of clientele right now in the Austin area, San Antonio area, and San Marcos. There's a lot of movement going on that side of Texas. So we do get a lot of business over there. Houston is very much popular as well. I mean, with so much people moving, and for the holidays coming up, we sell from here all the way to Dallas. I mean, yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
And guess what? The delivery is free.
Yeah, free delivery.
Free delivery.
Yeah.
And then you get him also in the package, you know. He's very nice and sweet.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we have some awesome delivery technicians that we send out. That's probably our biggest #1 review. If you want to find me on Facebook Marketplace, I have a profile there, and we sell a lot of stuff through there. Just because that's where the people go to find furniture at discounted prices and things like that, rather than going to your mom and pop brick and mortar stores. They go online to find the deals, and that's what we do with probably 90% of our business.
This is great. So once again, if you would like to have some furniture, modern, and don't want to pay the price for it, this is the company for you. Make sure to follow us. All the information of this company will be right down below. Make sure to comment, tell us what you think, subscribe, and follow us in all our social media. Thank you for watching.